Alright, let's dive into the world of thermodynamics and break down the Carnot cycle, one of the coolest and most fundamental concepts in physics. So picture this: a perfectly insulated piston, some gas inside hot reservoir, cold reservoir. The Carnot cycle is basically the most efficient way to turn heat into work or work into heat, without breaking any laws of physics. Let's walk through each step, and I'll show you where the energy flows. Step 1. Isothermal expansion. I connect my gas to the hot reservoir. The gas absorbs heat and expands slowly so its temperature stays constant. That absorbed energy pushes the piston up, doing work. Smooth flow, hot reservoir, gas, movement. Step 2. Adiabatic expansion. I disconnect the gas from the heat source. The piston keeps expanding with no heat exchange. The gas cools as it does work, losing internal energy. Adiabatic equals no heat exchange. Energy comes from the gas's internal reserves to move the piston. Step 3. Isothermal compression. I hook the gas up to the cold reservoir. I push the piston down, compressing the gas. The gas gives up heat to the cold reservoir while staying at constant temperature. The work I do converting to heat goes into the cold reservoir. Step 4. Adiabatic compression. I disconnect the gas from everything. I keep compressing with no heat flow. All input energy raises the gas temperature. The gas heats up, ready to start again. So what's the big deal? The Carnot cycle is the gold standard of efficiency. No real engine can beat it. It tells us the maximum efficiency possible given the hot reservoir and the cold reservoir. The larger the temperature gap, the higher the possible efficiency. Every real-world engine, your car, a power plant, tries to approach this ideal. But some energy is always lost to friction, to noise, and to other inefficiencies. The Carnot cycle is the North Star guiding better designs, even if perfect efficiency is unreachable. So, next time you see an engine or boil a kettle, remember, the Carnot cycle is quietly humming in the background, setting the rules for how energy flows and work gets done. Thanks for tuning in, and keep those gears turning, both in your head and out in the world.